complaining now?
Cranes are airy-fairy things. They need a lot of attention, like me, in fact.
Ah! Help! I can't! Ah! Oh, look, it's a little green goblin on wheels. Despicable. Rotten roads. Arrgh.
What a boring view. Sick? Me? Never. What happened?
Bother. I'll try, sir. I'm hot. Bother. Bother. That's all I can do. Help! Bother. 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 Rubbish. Rubbish. Oh, please. Oh, help! Go away. Silence. Huh. Huh. Oh!
I'm the greatest. Get out of my way.
Percy's been put upon, put upon, put upon. Percy's been put upon, poor old Percy. Silence. Oh no, stupid bird. Ghosts! Swine! Snot! Swine! Snot! Bill and Ben, behave yourselves. Oh, Pa! Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, yes, why not? Whew. Oh, help! Will Gordon be scrapped, sir? Oh, yes, of course. What was that? Oh, botheration. We're stuck. My! Percy, green and small, he's no use to us at all. Around the yards he'll puff and blow, but on the hills he's oh so slow. Surprise, surprise! Catch us if you can! Oh, no! Stopped at last. Woo! Help! Hurry! Oh, no, heading straight for me. Avalanche!
Oh, no. Help!
Yo ho ho, and a bucket of prawns, the tiller spins, and the captain yawns. Here we go, here we go, here we go. No we don't, no we don't, no we don't. This makes my chain ache. Vroom vroom. Faster we go, pull 'em along, don't let 'em slow. Help! Ahoy there, cranky. Where have you been? And a good day to you too, Captain. Whoops. You're gonna get into trouble. Just get someone to pull me out of this haystack. Do you mind? I'm trying to sleep. No! Oh, no! Oops! Careful, Bumble Bucket. Sorry. Jack! Thomas! Cinders and ashes. Bouncing buffers. My plow is broken. Cinders and ashes. Stop. Stop being pushy. Don't call me pushy. You shouldn't have pushed me into the cart. You pulled me, you mean. Didn't. Did. Did not. Did too. Is that all you can haul? Henry's loads are longer. Is that all you can haul? Henry must be stronger. Push us all. That's the longest. Push us all. You'll be the strongest. Ah! Grease and oil. Something's got me. He's after me. What was that? Oh, bother. Little green piggy in the middle. Help! You have caused confusion and delay. Little red piggy in the middle. Out of hot. We're out of hot air. Ah! What's happening? Rubbish. Hello, James? Dinghy fried? Oh, hell! On, they cry. Oh, no. Yuck. Will you two stop being crab pots? Ooh. No! Bust my buffers. My phone lines are down. A mouse! Uh-oh. Whoa! Hi, Gordon. Bye, Gordon. Duck should play with other ducks because he's no good at pulling trucks. Quack, 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 quack. Hold back, hold back. Bossy boots. Pushy puffer. Ow!
Glug, 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 he said. Bluggle my broiler.
Bah! I need to whistle louder and longer next time. Stop that nonsense, Duncan. Leave it to me. Whistle, Scarloey. You really did well to deliver your goods without a whistle. Do you think so? Or an organ.